What's up, guys? It's Justin Mark, and in this video, I'm gonna tell you guys how I hooked up with 5 girls this week during the coronavirus quarantine. Now, most guys, their dating life sucks right now. By the time you're watching this video, either coronavirus is completely passed or it's worse than ever. It's pretty fucked. Regardless, this video was filmed in May of 2020, and by the time you're watching this, who the fuck knows what state of the world we're in now. But what's crazy is, even though we're in this whole quarantine thing, still able to hook up with 5 different girls in a week. And the reason is because of online dating. So guys, before we jump into the video, I want to announce that I have released an incredible online course called Online Seduction, where we're teaching you guys how to crush it. Me and my good friend Bradicus, teaching you guys how to dominate your dating life when it comes to online dating. So this will literally solve all of your dating problems, literally all. Like, you don't need to do anything else once you learn this stuff. It's really powerful because girls, since you come to your door, insane abundance of dates and abundance and experiences. So it's really cool. But let's jump into the video. I'll tell you guys exactly how I hooked up with 5 different girls this week during coronavirus. Well, you got to realize that it's interesting because on a given day before coronavirus, let's say get like 50 matches on Tinder or whatever, right? And maybe, I don't know, 5 of them are down to meet that week. Well, that's pretty good, and that's pretty average result for a guy on Tinder. And right now I'm in Mexico City, so it's even easier because I'm foreign, right? I'm a foreigner here in Mexico. It's really cool. But what's even crazier is after this coronavirus thing hit, nobody's getting results. None of my friends who are some of the best players in the world are getting results because you can't leave your house or you go to jail. So legal disclaimer as well, okay? This video is made for entertainment purposes only, just in case. But as far as I'm concerned, I'm not breaking any rules or laws here in Mexico when it comes to social distancing, which is interesting because it doesn't seem like they really care that much about the whole, quarantine thing. But for the most part, clubs are closed, bars are closed. How do you meet girls? How do you go on dates? How do you get in a relationship? Well, you do something called scaling online. So say with me, scaling online. You scale your profiles online because now, maybe it was 10% of the girls are down to meet you. Now it's probably like 1% or lower. So it's funny because for me to get a date now, I literally have to mass message hundreds of girls. But what's cool is in my online instruction course, I teach you guys exactly how to do this. So I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit about it in this video, just so you guys get some free value here and you can actually recreate this yourself. So no matter where you're at in your life or where you're at in the world, you can actually get results regardless. But what's really cool is if you do get the online instruction course, we're gonna teach you this in extreme depth, so you can absolutely fucking crush it and get incredible results no matter what, whenever the fuck you want. But anyway, in this video, I'm gonna explain to you right now how you can do this. Well, you can do this by optimizing your profile so you get insane amount of matches. So right now, in the last 2 months, I've gotten over 3,000 matches on Tinder here in Mexico City since I've been here. I've been kind of quarantined here. And it's been great because this has allowed me to get incredible dating results, like beyond what you'd imagine. But the thing that sucks is only like 1% of the girls are actually down to meet up because they all want to meet you after the quarantine coronavirus thing, which won't probably fucking end for who knows how long, right? And a lot of them are just scared to meet up because, now there's no bars open. Before you can meet at the bar across the street from your apartment, but now you can't. So they either have to come straight to your place or you don't meet at all. So what you got to do is you need to get more matches. You need to scale up how many girls you're meeting through online, not actually meeting in person, but online, how many matches you're getting, and you need to get them on other platforms, Instagram, WhatsApp, etc. Okay, now WhatsApp is really cool because what you can do is you can actually do broadcast messages. You can't do that on Instagram. I don't think you can do it on Facebook or other platforms. So what you do is you get them on WhatsApp by getting their phone number. And then you can actually do a broadcast message. So let's say you got 1,000 matches, and that's very high matches. But again, if you get the online instruction course, we're gonna teach you exactly how to get that many matches. It's really not that hard when you learn the right principles, mindsets, and strategies. Really key. The average guy is only gonna get a few dozen matches, right? Which really, really sucks. So this doesn't really work unless you actually know how to get lots and lots of matches. And you need to scale it upwards so that way you continue getting more matches. Okay, so here in Mexico City, I get about 100 matches a day right now. And that's only when I use Tinder. I don't even use it anymore because I'm pretty satisfied with my dating life. I've actually got a girlfriend here now. It's pretty cool. And get this, right? So let's say you get 1,000 matches, you get 10% of their phone numbers, right? Maybe, I don't know, maybe it's more, maybe it's 20, maybe it's 30, it doesn't matter, okay? but you get the phone numbers. What you need to do is you need to tell the girls to save your number. You open her message, should be like, hey, what's up? It's whatever your name is, right? Hey, it's Justin, what's up? Save my number, okay? Save my number. And then you're telling them to save your number, make sure they do it. So once they save your number, you can now add them to your broadcast list. So now I have literally I think it's like close to 1,000+ girls in my broadcast list that I can send a mass text message to. And if I want to meet a girl tonight, I literally just go on my phone, hey, what's up? You're really cute. Let's meet tonight. Or even better, I'll send a voice message and be like, hey, honestly, you're so sexy. I want to meet you tonight. And this is why I've actually had dates every single day this week, and why I had 5 different intimate experiences with 5 different beautiful women this week. It's simply the fact that when you can organize this and manage it with the right strategies and the right principles, you're guaranteed to get incredible results. Now, this is pretty crazy. It's not for everyone, but I highly recommend you check out the online seduction course. Go to online-seduction.com. Check out the course. Even if you don't want to buy the course because you don't like girls and you don't like getting results, it's fine. Not everyone likes to invest in their future. And 2 years from now, you might be in the exact same place you're at right now. That's cool. Sign up for a free email list, and we'll email you all kinds of intensive information so you can still get results, even though the world's pretty crazy this year. 2020 has really been fucking us, and you'll still be able to get results. That's my promise to you. So go to online-seduction.com, either buy the course or sign up for a free email list, and we'll see you guys there. My name is Justin Mark. I'm an international dating coach and relationship expert. I'll see you guys in the next video. We have been, we've been super overwhelmed with the amount of people who have messaged us to enroll in the online mentor program. I probably had like 400 people message me. If you're still interested in changing your life forever, message me right now saying I'm in about the online mentor program. Okay. All right, yeah. See. Chris, I have a question. Are you and Carla like dating or what? Is it your girlfriend?
At this point, I'd say we're friends.
Oh. But what about last night when I was sleeping next to you guys and you guys were like humping and stuff? Chris, is this your girlfriend, Chris? Chris, is this your girlfriend?
Actually, it's my wife.
This one? She's your wife? Chris, how come you sitting so close to her, Chris? You're too close. What's up, guys? We are just out here with Chris, filming a street interview. And we're also out here with the girls. We've got her, and we've also got, say hola.
Hola.
Here with my man Justin. He needs some advice.